History in the making and a breakout that we knew was coming. We actually called this 2 days ago, albeit it's a few days earlier than we thought. XRP made a big statement today in its upward trajectory, and ultimately the question on everyone's mind is why and how much further are we going to go? Well, we're going to try and answer both of those questions in tonight's video, so make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and let's get into it. So I do want to come back and just look at the chart in a little bit more detail towards the end of the video, but you can see this big spike breaking above this downward trend line that we've been keeping our eye on over the course of the last few weeks. Now, I actually anticipated something more like that into the October 7th finalization of the SEC and XRP appeal, but today it went big and broke out significantly as there was lots of discussions around partnerships with India, RLUSD, and much more. I'm going to try and break all that down for you in this video, which hopefully you guys are pretty bullish on indeed. So what do we have going on? Well, it's really interesting over the course of the last few days that there seems to be this ever-growing anticipation of an SEC appeal. Now, I actually went on my video yesterday and said, I just simply don't believe it to be the case. And I think aligned with that, you've got all the XRP, RLUSD news, and the charts obviously speak for themselves. So what's the latest when it comes to this appeal? Well, ultimately, experts and legal critics say, quote, I don't believe an appeal court will rule that Judge Torres erred in applying the third criterion. Judge Torres' decision was based on very specific facts. The SEC did not rely on any expert testimonies regarding XRP holders, which was ultimately excluded, but the judge did. Ultimately, what they're saying is they saw out very specific details, which the SEC absolutely put towards the judge, and the judge found in the favor of XRP, and they did on a number of occasions. So for me, simply, I don't think it's there anyway. The only way the only way that the SEC do win this, quote, if the SEC selects 3 SEC-friendly judges, rare but possible it could win. And this is a legal expert, and ultimately they're saying they kind of have to rig the decision. So this is one sentiment that obviously is pretty bullish for XRP. We obviously saw the 99% of the Ripple USD has been minted, which ultimately gives us the imminent launch of their stablecoin. And actually the blockchain digital payment network Ripple minted roughly 99% of it in the last 24 hours on Ethereum and on the XRP ledger. Platform now has minted over 800,000 Ripple RSU tokens, leading analysts to believe its planned stablecoin project may launch very soon, which I think is worthwhile noting. So not only have you then got that on the Ethereum chain, you also have it, like I said, on XRPL as well. And what are people saying in terms of the charts? Well, people are going bullish, $2.30 by the end of this week. Some people even predict. Now, we obviously expect a pretty big couple of days with ETF flows. In fact, by the time you guys are watching this video, we'll be pretty close to seeing the Asian markets open, and I expect them to buy. I absolutely believe they're going to come in strong. Again, trying to front run the US ETFs. But it says AMB Crypto checked XRP on-chain data to find that the odds of it touching $2.30 in the coming days, as per previous analysis, are very likely. In terms of trading volume increase, and sharply with that increase in the price. And the important thing here is, you can see on the chart, the breakout here. The key bit, it's been a long time coming, this 7-year downtrend with that break. People predicting now obviously a significant move on the back of it. Potentially a 300% move takes us to about $1.74. Now, it's not going to happen overnight, but the reality here is that it's absolutely on track, and it's broke what I think a lot of people expected Ripple and XRP to do, and now it has. The proof, like they say, is in the pudding. Now, the other thing we're hearing today is the oil industry is adopting XRP. Now, I just want to come out and say it, that we haven't actually had an official statement yet. Now, we talked a little bit about the whole BRICS movement, and actually Dubai was starting to pair up with India to use XRP to purchase oil, but there has been no official announcement from the XRP or Ripple head office, or even in that fact, Brad Garlinghouse. So I do want to be sensible in terms of what we talk about here, but we do obviously expect Ripple to start moving into much more real use case, especially with those 2 upgrades coming to the XRPL. This is obviously big news, and RLUSD stablecoin will obviously support that narrative as well. So let's take a look at the chart really quickly and see kind of where we get to. Well, look, like we said, this nice breakout here on this downward channel that we've been talking about gives us some real positive strength. Now, we have pulled back a little bit, down about 4%. Nothing to worry about, in my opinion. The key here is stay above this line. Like I said, I actually think we're a little bit early from this move that I expected, but we will take it. What you can see here is some of the moving averages are now starting to move up, and the RSI divergence is looking very positive. So what's the next steps? Well, look, if we take the top down to the bottom on the fib retracement, you can see that we actually broke above the 786, retested the 1.0, our next line 165. 0.18 at 75 cents is probably the key line we're looking for that big break to the upside, aligned to the market sentiment, particularly Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. And I think XRP will absolutely move as well. But that is a pretty nice upward trend for XRP, and we have been in that now for nearly 2 weeks. So lots of positive news, lots of expectation, and Ripple and XRP, well, playing out exactly like we called it here on the channel. And if you want to get kind of close to trading and you want to kind of absolutely get the best possible moves, then don't forget, check out Trade Assist down in the description. The link is there to support all of your trading needs, buy zones, sell zones, momentum indicators, and much, much more. There is a premium service as well as a basic one for every trader out there to support your trading decisions. So if you're interested, check out Trade Assist down in the description. Also, there is a link for MEXC if you want to sign up and use that for futures trading. Both of those in the description, as well as many, many other things down there that supports the channel and ultimately gets you in a position to make the most amount possible in this upcoming bull market. So let me know what you think. XRP down in the comments. Do you think this is the switch? Has it been flipped? And is XRP's next stop 75 cents? We'll keep you updated as always right here on the 2Bit Crypto channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel as always. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.